What's the meaning of balm? Balm. Balm.
Balm. Balm. Balm is a noun that refers to a fragrant, oily substance extracted from certain plants and used to soothe and heal wounds or as a cosmetic. It is also used to describe anything that provides comfort or relief, whether physical or emotional. Balm can be used to refer to a salve or ointment applied to the skin to alleviate pain or discomfort, as well as to an emotional balm, such as kind words or a loving gesture that soothes a troubled soul. The word balm can also be used figuratively, to describe something that eases difficult situations or calms troubled minds.